What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ben Kid, and right now we're back with another reaction video. Of course, it's a public freakout video, but I've been gone for a week, but I start rolling back out these videos again, and you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna keep trying to stay consistent. But let's get into this reaction video. So I guess they're a subway.
What's wrong with you, dude? You treat you like a dude? What you mean, what else? Everything else, salt and pepper, common sense. Are you an idiot? You better get better at your customer service. For real. I don't know what the f you be living in. This is 2020. No, you don't know. You honestly don't know. You had me sitting here with only 2 people here for 40 minutes. Do you not understand that?
What is he getting mad about?
You didn't do no customer service, didn't check on nobody. You're handling one order at a time. Like, it's not common sense to you? You need help, right? Exactly. It's common sense. You need help. You can't handle this job by yourself.
I don't understand what's going on. It's not either she's making your sandwich. Like, what's the problem?
Call him. Slap the shit out you if you touch me. And your man.
Can
So
I
go
please
ahead,
have a 6
get my
foot?
face. My name is Blue Hundreds. You can Google me. You can Spotify me, Instagram me. I would slap the shit out this lady if she touches me again. Point blank, period. And that's exactly how it's gonna go.
Okay.
Tell her keep my name.
Excuse me,
and
sir. I'm
anything that
trying
has
to
do
order
with
my
me
sandwich,
out her
okay?
f***ing mouth. Okay, we
Please.
have a problem now.
Excuse me.
So is the
I'm
problem
trying
done?
to. There's no
You
problem.
want to act like a man, right? I'm here. What's up? You step up to me like a man.
Sir, I'm
talk
trying to
like a man.
order my sandwich.
Finish. I'm speaking to
Okay,
you.
can you please move? Because
Oh,
I'm
yeah, I
trying
can
to
get out
talk
your
to
way.
her.
Go ahead.
Please.
Go
Thank
ahead.
you. Thank you.
You're more than
Ass
welcome.
is down. He probably spread
You
it
done?
out.
Can I please have
Are you done?
No. Do you
Okay,
see
go
my
ahead. I'm
sandwich
gonna sit here and
ready?
make you uncomfortable. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm
I
gonna sit
don't
here
care,
until you finish.
dude.
Go ahead.
Seriously?
Seriously,
Can I
what?
have
Yeah,
Jack?
Exactly. You thought it's all fun and games, right?
Okay.
It's all fun and games.
Yes.
Ass up.
Please.
Shut your little bitch ass up. You get smacked in your face, you old bitch. And I'm not playing with you. That go for you and whoever in your family. Because we all got family.
Can I
You
get
can
a
go to
closer?
war. It's all about respect. This is OTF, nigga. Gang shit, bitch. And you know what the fuck it is. Stop playing with me, nigga. Try to be respectful, bitch.
He ain't about nothing.
Nigga in the street and book smart, bitch. I'll beat your ass. I'm not
You're
playing.
at Subway getting mad, bro.
Not playing with you, little bitch. What? 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 You still recording, right? Go ahead. Go ahead. This is public. Keep recording. And I'm gonna keep standing here because it's public.
Yeah, but you
Prove
need to
a point.
stand 6
Prove your
feet.
point.
You
I'm
have
gonna
to
prove my
stand
point.
6 feet
Prove your point.
apart.
I don't
It's
have to do
COVID.
none of that. No, that's
Yes,
a policy,
yes.
you idiot. Do you not know what a policy is? Law
Move
is
your
law.
tongue, sir.
Policy is what?
You're spitting
You're an
in my
idiot.
eyes,
Ain't
please.
nobody spitting on you.
Yes, you're
Ain't nobody
speaking
spitting
out.
on you.
Okay.
Oh, this is that video in Atlanta. So basically, he's getting kicked out because he's wearing Air Force Ones, which I believe, honestly, is because he's black. But I guess there's a lady that has on and she's white.
You telling me those are good?
Please.
No,
Yeah.
you talk right here.
If this video shows,
This is something you brought on yourself.
he's gonna talk to the owner. And the owner
This is something you brought on yourself. This is pure racism. She has on
very, very,
Adidas. She has on Adidas. What the f is it? Adidas and Nike. No. Adidas and Nike.
and the owner had ordered.
We're just we're waiting for the cops to get here. We'll just wait.
Conversation with you guys.
It's okay if we offer Jordans because they're expensive.
So,
Like, that doesn't make any sense.
That's her boundaries.
They retail at some see, they didn't show it.
Don't say something.
They didn't show it.
Say something. Say something. Say something. You a dog. Think you don't think I can? You don't think I can, dog? I'm telling you, you don't think I can, dog. I'm gonna shove this up your ass, dog. You know why? Give me this shit, mother. Let's go. Hold on. Oh, Frank Bug. Give me dirty story, dog. Oh, that means.
Bro, fuck the
Yeah,
way.
now, girl.
I'm trying to see this nigga run.
Oh, look, nigga. No, you fuck bitch. No, bitch, that's that, dog. Pick up that.
Damn. That's fucked up.
What's up, nigga? Yeah, you better block it, nigga. Better block something. Give him. No, fuck you up, you bitch ass. Don't give a fuck about you. You're a bitch. Fuck you up, dog.
Other way. Other way.
We go back for some more.
Other way.
You're punk, dog. You're punk. He knows it.
I wonder what happened.
He knows
in the beginning, why he got so
Oh.
hard. Maybe he's drunk.
Morning, Karen.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm doing great. I can't wait to give this to my buddy,
Nice.
police officer.
I love Karens.
You're going.
Karens are so amazing.
You
are beautiful, Karen.
You're taking pictures of the backyard.
Oh, Karen.
Whoever they are looks
You're
beautiful in the
beautiful.
background. I know y'all saw that.
Oh, Karen.
Oh,
Karen. Karen.
You're gonna work on my teeth, not my nose. I don't wear a mask getting my teeth cleaned.
Oh, I've seen this.
Fine, I'll cover my mouth. Can I go be seated now?
No, because you're not filling out the forms of letting us take your temperature. It's about protecting our
You
staff
can't take
and
my
everybody.
temperature. That's against the law.
All right, well, I can't.
You're not an
allowed-
MD.
We're not
okay?
allowed to. We
No.
can't see you. That's
I have a right to sue you for harassing me, the manager, and this entire company,
How's that
Smile,
harassment?
whatever you call it, dental.
You
I
came
do
to
have
her.
that right, and I talked to my attorney before I came here too.
You need her
So
services.
does he want that to happen? I've
You need
waited
your
long
teeth to be
enough for my
cleaned.
teeth to be cleaned, okay? Let's get
But
this
you don't wear a
done,
mask.
okay?
I can't. They're telling me I can't see you.
Who's there?
The owner of the practice.
I want to hear him. Get him on the phone. He has to send me in written writing, so I want to see your
You shouldn't
policy.
be in the building without a mask either.
I can do what I want.
No,
I'm
you
free.
can't.
It's not
This
a
is
law.
medical office.
It's not a law.
This is a medical law.
No.
Alright, well, that's gonna be the end of the video. I don't know, bro. She was tripping. Like, we're still in a pandemic, you know what I'm saying? Coronavirus has ruined 2020. This whole year, we've all just been in the house, living in fear, some of us. Some of us just don't care, like her. But I don't understand. Like, just wear a mask and then you'll be fine. But I don't know, bro. But like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.